My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Not good, not good. Out of stock, failed. So hard. The Supreme North Face collaboration is about to drop in 1 minute, and I heard that Cyber cooked super hard, so I'm going to be prioritizing that, and then I will be using one task on Eve. Error, checking out, it's just stuck there, TOS. Oh shoot, Cyber didn't work at all. Dude, this is too late. No, I'm not getting this. No, bots didn't work. Wait, Off-White just restocked? Wait, is this an add to cart link? What's this? Oh, Off-White is restocking. Please wait until the page is fully loaded. Damn, these guys care too much. Oh, this add to cart link should bring me directly to the checkout page. But I don't have my UK address ready. My cart is empty. Damn. Oh, I should have manualed. I really thought Cyber was gonna take the stock again, because Cyber worked really well for EU. That's the thing with Supreme, it's just bots are so inconsistent on Supreme. You just never know what's going to happen. Alright, so I was looking at the results of other people and apparently there were 2 bots that worked, and I'm gonna try to get my hands on them, so you're gonna know eventually. What's up? I'm finished setting up my bots for the Yeezy 350 Clays that will be dropping tomorrow. And our food came in. Shout out to Hov. Hov is notifies DoorDash provider, which means if anyone orders DoorDash through him, they will get a huge discount, 40 to 60% off their total DoorDash order. But today he did something special for our members. He was taking orders for free, and this is our order. Me and Joy are gonna snack on this a little bit later. Now, that's the good thing about cook groups, is that cook groups is really like a family in the community that look out for each other. It's not only just about making profits, buying and selling sneakers and things like that. It is a lot more than that. And for example, Sway is the owner of Only Friends and Family. He does a lot of Chick-fil-A giveaways, so I know we're gonna have a bunch of those in our group. And AK Chefs, which I got invited to earlier, hooked it up with like a coupon glitch for candles, which were normally like 30 bucks, and I was able to get 2 for $10. If you slept on the cook group release, maybe I can convince some of the owners to open up more slots, but if you slept, I'm sorry, man. What is going on? In about 4 minutes, the Yeezy 350 Clays are about to drop, and I am using 4 bots. I better at least get one of them, or else I would be super washed. Oh, I got a captcha.
I'm stuck on searching for all of them.
I think you in purchase.
I might have checked out one, but I'm not sure.
I'm not even sure.
I'm only getting added to cart on one.
I'm in queue on like everything.
retarded. Submitting shipping.
What's up, Manny Luck?
What the hell?
Not yet.
No.
With the bypass, bro. I'm in. Come on, guys. I'm in.
I'm getting submitted order, payment declined. What?
I'm on
Also,
payment game,
my
bro.
order was also
Do
declined.
the
Site
bypass.
crash, site crash.
I'm doing the bypass.
Site crash. You can't even use
I'm
the
on
bypass.
it, bro. I'm on paying right now.
Me too.
Alright, that's what I'm saying. It's crap.
I mean, how's it crashed if I'm paying?
Some people could get through. It's like,
You just gotta get lucky.
Let's go in.
Capture.
They have a
I
new
have no
payment
cap.
processor, it looks like.
alright, I caught.
People are cooking. You caught?
Yeah, I got a fast one.
Alright, I'm done. I
YouTube
out, bro. 5.5 too. I got my order, dude.
Oh yeah, me too. I
There
got
you
one.
go.
I'm getting errors submitting order on Cyber. Like, I don't know what that means.
Dude, like the bot's not doing anything.
Yo, I hit.
Again, damn, you hit like 3 million.
Yup, I hit on NSB.
What?
Wow.
Bro, I hit on NSB like a bunch.
Was submitting billing for one finally, dude.
Shit, me too. I'm just getting through now.
My shit's all stuck in the queue, man. Should I restart?
Oh, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6.
Please tell me this one goes through. I need at least one. Come on.
I got so many declined cards.
Oh, dude, I got an order confirmation. Oh my gosh, I got one. Oh, thank the Lord, dude. Dude.
What size?
I don't even know. I size 6. Oh my gosh, dude.
Nice.
Oh my god. Size 6.
If I didn't fucking cop one pair and I use 4 bots, my sponsors are gonna cut me, bro. I can't let that happen.
Ooh, 2 nice checkouts on Dash. 3 checkout on Dash.
Yo, I think I hit
Dash is
something.
checking
Oh no, my God. Why does it say? I did. Yo, no. Hey,
You sound confused as fuck, bro.
Yo, hey, NSB gave me a checkout, bro. Size 5. NSB did the dollar signs, yo. I just checked out NSB and it gave me. It actually says cop.
Nice.
I got another one, baby. Let's run this shit. Another size 5.
Damn.
Damn.
Another one, motherfucker. 3. A 4th one, yo.
Your tokens were fine.
DJ Khaled, bro.
Another one.
Oh, I just got 2. I got a size 5 and it's off of the head.
Another one, bro. I literally got like
Why is
20 right
everything-
now.
Get the
Okay,
fuck
for
out of
me,
here.
right now, all my tasks right now are saying like waiting in the queue.
Same.
Bro, on my soul, bro. You guys don't hear the dollar signs, G? Another one.
Get the dude. How you doing this with? How many tasks you have?
I told you, bro. I've been making these fire-ass proxies for the last 3 hours. And another one. I'm not even joking, bro. Every time I say another one, another dollar sign, bro.
Another one.
Damn, bro, that's crazy.
Yeah, I saw that.
Another one.
Yo, double check and not getting infants, bro.
No, infants are so
They're all
loud.
size 5, bro. There's no.
Oh, okay, good.
I use the same exact keywords as you, so if you're getting infants, I'm getting infants.
Oh, I'm not getting anything though.
Maybe that. Damn, dude. I thought you've been getting hella, huh?
I'm just chilling here and I check my email and I have this thing here. Complete your purchase. Tap here to complete your order. Okay, so does that mean I can just go here and then press complete order? Okay. Complete order? Oh dude, I got another one. Okay. Oh, by the ways. See that green? I kept my tasks running on Nike Shoe Bot, and one of them that was in the queue ended up going through. So boom, so far I got a 5.5, an 8.5, and right now I just checked out an 8. But it looks like I have another email that says complete your purchase. Okay, so I'm gonna do that right now. Complete order. Boom, just got another one, man. All right, so we are currently at 4 pairs. This night is turning out a lot better than I expected it. And something just popped up for Cyber. Processing. Oh, got another one. So we're at 5 so far. Alright, so apparently that was a trick. You just needed to have your tasks running and just be patient, you know? I just woke up and there are 2 minutes before the drops and I'm not set up for anything. Damn, I started my tasks way too late. Now I'm stuck in the queue. That wasn't supposed to happen if I had started properly. Oh, I'm getting submitting billing for a bunch of them. Damn it, man. Oh, dude, I got an order confirmation from Kith. Oh, I got a size that I was not supposed to get. Size 12. I'm pretty sure that's a brick size. Oh. Oh, dude, I think I got the cart. Oh shoot, I got the cart. I just snatched it from Chess Club. Alright, hopefully I can check out. Oh, let's go. Come on, just check out, man. Just check out. Don't give me any loops, don't give me any problems. Just check out. PayPal, I don't care, bro. What is wrong with this website? I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to look like that. Come on. Come on, don't payment loop on me. I'm so close. Please. Please. Please, just process the payment. Wait, what? Page not found? Wait, let me check my charges. The payment didn't go through. The payment didn't go. Oh, wait a minute. It's still in my cart, so I'll just try again. I don't think it's gonna go through. Once it loops, you're usually just stuck in the loop. What's going on, guys? I'm about to head out soon. I'm going to be trading my Supreme Wolf fleece jacket size small for $100 plus Off-White Air Max 90s size 9.5. What's going on? Alright, thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Thanks. Alright, now that I'm back home, I can take a closer look at these beautiful shoes. Oh my goodness. I love everything about this shoe, man. The blue zip tie, the little orange hints. These shoes are freaking beautiful. But the only thing that's not DS about this is that the laces are undone. I can easily get that back together. So my cook groups caught wind of a free food promotion from the Cheesecake Factory via the DoorDash app. The first 10,000 people will be eligible for a $25 gift card from the Cheesecake Factory if we do this fast enough. Claim $25 now. Oh, claim free food. I see it. The website's... Oh, I got it.
Where?
From the website. Yo, the food is here. Time to feast. Supreme in-store signup is about to take place in 1 minute, and I'm just going to manual this time because this is what worked for me in the past, and hopefully we can get into the store on Thursday. Oh my gosh. Problem processing my billing. I need to use another card. What? What do you mean? San, what do you mean? Problem to processing your submission. Okay, I don't know why it's just taking out the card number. Alright, this is pissing me off. I'm going to refresh. Please work. Oh my gosh, dude. I think it's another L for this. Ah! Why did they do that? Oh! I got charged by Supreme. Yes, dude, I got charged by Supreme. It was giving me errors, but I may have just gotten through. So like I explained in my previous video, if you get charged by Supreme like 10 cents, then that means you were able to successfully sign up. So now we're gonna wait for a text message at 1 p.m. and that will seal the deal to make sure that I will be going there or not. So the time is currently 2:11 p.m. and no text message. Unfortunately, I will not be going to the Supreme End store this Thursday again because it doesn't seem like those guys like me. Maybe they have my info banned or something, I don't know. But anyways, I heard there are some pretty cool t-shirts coming out from Supreme this week, so I will be trying to get them on one of the few bots that work on Supreme. So I'm gonna give those a try. And then on the 9th, the Air Max 1 Susans are going to be dropping. If there is any resale on them, then I'm gonna be going for them. I'm looking at StockX prices right now, and it looks like that most sizes are going to be having some good resale value, so I will be going for them. And damn, the shoe looks really nice actually. So hopefully we do get the W on them so that I can hold it in my hand and show you guys. But are we gonna get them? We're gonna find out next time.
Hi guys, it's Joy. If you want free stuff, follow Nova on Instagram and Twitter. He posts giveaways as well as updates regarding Cook Group membership openings. Hope you enjoyed!